Hello Ronnie, how are you?
Going
What do you doing?
looking at the dates.
Hmm. This date's name you know?
This one dates Arabic name Tamar.
Tamar. In famous name Ajowa.
Jawa
Hmm. In Arabic name
Tamar.
Tamar. Okay.
In English palm.
English
English palm.
palm. Good. Ronnie, what do you work in this country?
We driver.
Driver. Hmm. Heavy driver.
Yes.
Good. Very delicious and sweet
Very
dates.
sweet.
Hmm. You belong this country?
Huh?
You belong this country?
What?
What's your country name?
Philippines.
Philippines. Okay. Philippines boy. Hmm. You tell me about Philippines weather today.
Weather now always raining.
Always raining.
Yes.
And
Now,
Philippines
now in Philippines flood, too much water. Now
no,
more people die.
no.
Yes.
Yes. Philippines greeny country.
Very greeny.
Okay.
Very greeny.
Very greeny.
Yes.
And Philippines beautiful Moscow name.
What?
Beautiful masjid name Moscow.
Pink mosque.
Pink Moscow.
Yes.
Okay. You near the city.
Mosque. Yan maybe
Hmm.
2 hours travel
2 hour.
by motorcycle.
2 hour travel motorcycle.
Yes.
Hmm.
Very beautiful mosque. You see Hada before?
Hmm.
YouTube, you check in YouTube.
Hmm. Okay, Ronnie.
Okay.
Goodbye. Nice to meet you.